I guess when I can finish a certain number of financials within the week or the day, and it's like, yes, I met my goal. That's really fun. I say fun. It's fun to me. I'm Lisa Messerschmidt. I'm a staff accountant. I take care of monthly financial statements for my clients. And if they need documents for audit, sometimes I provide those, answer questions, whatever. By giving them monthly financials, they can see where they stand. If they're trying to get a loan, they need their financials right away, so we try to jump on that and get that as quickly as possible. Audits, they need certain documents, by a certain time, whatever. Things like that. I'm like a math numbers kind of person, so I like that part of it. But I really like helping the clients. Like if they need something right away, or if they have a question, if I can answer it, or if I can provide them a document, that's very satisfying. I'm glad to help them. I like to see their successes and so forth. Well, I'm a scuba diver, although I haven't been in a couple of years. Mostly I've been to the Caribbean. We did go to Fiji a few years ago, but it's very beautiful. I mean, you get to see so many fish and creatures that you would never see if you weren't, 60 to 100 feet under the ocean. I like to ride on the motorcycle with my husband. I like to read. My favorite movie is My Cousin Vinny. I love it. I could watch the movie almost every day. I can see growth. I can see a lot of good, positive things. We seem to have a lot of people who really care about the clients and want to make everything good for them, give them the best we can.